You think wearing heels is the only way to look taller, or wearing black is the only way to look slimmer, right? Wrong. Hi everyone, welcome to Fab at 40. I'm Divya. I make lifestyle, fashion and travel related content. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. It will genuinely mean the world to me. And all those who have been watching me, thank you so much for joining back. We all want to be tall and slim, but unfortunately not all of us are gifted. I'm 5 feet 5 inches in height, which is a decent enough height, but ever since my pregnancy and childbirth, my body has not been the same. I have not been able to lose weight, and the lower half of my body is my problem area. So if you also have the same issues like I have, then do watch on, because I'm going to give you simple tips and tricks to make you look slimmer and taller. Wear well-fitted clothes. You may think that wearing loose clothes will hide your problem areas, but on the contrary, they make you look voluminous and out of shape. So be confident and wear clothes that hug you at the right places. Wearing vertical stripes is the easiest way to create an illusion of a taller and a slimmer frame. If you have a shorter torso, then wear a striped top. And if your lower half is shorter than your upper half, then wear a striped bottom. Go monochrome. If you wear different colored separates, it divides the frame or figure in two, pronouncing a shorter frame. Monochromes, on the other hand, create an illusion of a lengthy silhouette. Pointed toe shoes also help you give an elongated look. Whether you're wearing flats, sandals or high heels, pointed toe shoes should be your go-to shoes if you want to look taller. Wearing high-waisted pants or jeans will cinch in the actual waistline. They won't accentuate the muffin top, which happens with low-waist jeans or bottoms. And don't forget to tuck in the top for a taller appearance. And whenever in doubt, wear black. The color black cuts the light falling at your flaws and flattens the profile or the image. Black creates shadows because black itself is the color of the shadow, giving an impression of a slimmer body. It's just the way our eyes see the color. So you see how simple it is to look taller and slimmer. Doesn't cost you a thing. Thumbs up if you like these simple tips and tricks. Don't forget to share, subscribe and push the notification bell for all future updates. I'll see you next. Bye.